Hello, and thank you for joining us for this lesson on Workbooks CRM. Make sure you check out our free live training webinar class schedule at www.lucidswitch.com/webinar. Also, follow us on Twitter and Facebook for updates on workbooks, CRM best practices, and new video tutorials.
Hello and welcome to the Lucid Switch Workbooks CRM video training series. Right now I'm going to show you how to create a pick list in Workbooks. Just a little background of what a pick list is a list of specific values that you can use to put into an actual pick list custom field or a multi-select field. So we'll get into that in just a moment, but in order to get there, you're going to go to Start, Configuration, Customization, and you're going to go to Pick List. So let's say for, just for kicks in this situation, we're working with a ice cream factory, and so that they have to create a pick list of all the different flavors of ice cream that they have. So when I first get into my pick list section here, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to create a filter. I'm going to put name contains, and I do this with all of my different windows here, just so if I needed to filter something really quick, I could. Whenever you create a filter, just make sure you hit view and then save. That's important because otherwise the next time you come in, you won't have this there. So it's just easy to put the name contains and then blank there. So if I wanted to look for just something that had the word case in it, I would just hit name contains case, and you'll see that now it just makes it simpler for me to find what I'm looking for. So in this case, I'm just going to create a new pick list. And because I'm going to use this pick list with a custom field that I'm going to create, I'm going to prefix it with the letter CF for custom field, and then I'm going to just say ice cream flavors. So we've got our ice cream flavors here. I'm going to put description, and I'm going to say these are the flavors that for my ice cream drop-downs. And then there's a little button here that says Unrestricted, and you look at the little information icon here. If you want to use this pick list with a multi-select field, do not allow unrestricted entries. So what that means is that if you're going to use the pick list with a multi-select field, then you don't want to check that, because if you check it, that means that it's unrestricted and you'll be able to put in any new value inside of your pick list. Sorry about that. So we're going to just click on values. I can click on add here, and then I'm going to pick my, typical flavors. So I'm going to have chocolate. I'm going to have strawberry. I'm going to have vanilla. And now that's going to be the order that they come in. So if it's the first time I'm running something, I might typically, what I use is I have a configuration document that I use, and so I've got all my different values in another document, so I just copy and paste it in here. What we see have a position, so the position is last. It's always easier to just alphabetize your items before you actually put them into your pick list, because otherwise you're going to have to sort them out. It takes just a little bit longer. So here we've got first and last, but since there's nothing else in there, it doesn't matter what we choose. So I'm going to hit save and close. Now we're going to see the values go in here. So now let's say I need to add another field, and I'm going to call it blueberry. And so I'm going to put in blueberry, and I'm going to position this one first because it's going to become before chocolate alphabetically. So I click first. If I wanted it to be between chocolate and strawberry, I would just put after chocolate. So I put it in first here. And then let's say I wanted to put in heavenly hash. I'll add in another one. So I put in heavenly hash, and then now I can stick it into where I want it to be alphabetically. And so I put it after chocolate. I'm going to click save and close, and you'll see that's where it goes. And then on this page here, you have to hit save and close. If you don't hit save and close, you're not going to, save those values. So just click save and close one more time. And now we see that we came back to our view. That case is still there. I'm going to hit refresh here and delete that. I got my CF. So later on, when I'm, fully configured and I'm working on a bunch of different fields and trying to find something quickly, I'm just going to type in CF here, and that's going to allow me to find my custom field. So that's why we do that. So that's pretty much it on how to create a pick list. There's not really much else to it. Thank you for watching this video.